Hello, my name is Lynn Daniels Anderson and I am a volunteer with Junction City, Harrisburg, Monroe Habitat for Humanity. I'm a member of the Family Services Committee, and along with all of the other members, we would like to invite you to apply to become a Habitat for Humanity homeowner. Now, normally we would have an informational meeting where we would invite everyone to attend, but as we all know, these are not normal times. So I'm going to talk a little bit about the application process, tell you what our qualifications are, and tell you how you can get more information. First off, I want to talk about the Habitat for Humanity model. We're a nonprofit organization. We've been in the Junction City, Harrisburg, Monroe area for over 25 years now. And we build houses in partnership with families who then purchase those homes. Those homes are purchased with an affordable mortgage. They are simple, decent, modest homes, but they are brand new homes when our families purchase them. We have built or remodeled 25 homes in our area. So first off, a few details. We are accepting applications to be considered for home ownership between October 15th and November 5 of this year. All applications need to be in our office by 3 p.m. on November 5. So those are our application dates for this year. Second, we are going to be building in Monroe, so if you're thinking of applying, know that that's where the next home will be built. And third, the application process can look daunting, but if you follow the instructions step by step, I think you'll have no problem with it. Later in the video, I will go through the instructions, and if you have any questions, you can always call our office or message us on Facebook or send us an email. Families who want to apply to become a Habitat for Humanity homeowner need to meet several criteria. First, you need to live within our service area, which is the school district boundaries of Junction City, Harrisburg, or Monroe. Live or work within those boundaries for at least 6 months so that you reside within our service district. If you don't and you're still interested in becoming a Habitat for Humanity homeowner, we will refer you to the right affiliate. But we serve people who live within the school district boundaries of Junction City, Harrisburg, and Monroe. Live or work. Second, you'll need to be able to pay an affordable mortgage. So we're going to ask you some questions about your income. The income guidelines are on our website. They'll be on our Facebook page as well. So take a look at those. They range, there's a high and a low. And so if your income falls within those guidelines and you live or work within our service boundaries, and if your current housing is unaffordable, are you paying over 35% of your income in rent? Is it unsafe? Do you have heating? Do you have mold? Do you have sagging walls or leaking roof? Is it overcrowded? Are there more than 2 kids sharing a bedroom? Are there family members sleeping on the sofa? So if your home is unsafe, unaffordable, overcrowded, you live or work within our affiliates' boundaries, and your income falls within the range that we have posted on our website. If all of 3 of those are met, you are welcome and encouraged to apply to become a Habitat for Humanity homeowner. There is one more criteria in addition to the 3 that I just told you about. Are you willing to partner with Habitat for Humanity? Habitat homeowners have built their houses alongside volunteers. Habitat for Humanity homeowners know their houses from the inside out because they helped build them. This is a process called sweat equity. We ask our partner families to commit to working 500 hours, 500 sweat equity hours, building your house, taking financial education classes, working in our restore, working in our office, so that you become invested both in your house and in the Habitat for Humanity family. This partnership gives families a real ownership of their homes. It's an exciting time, and you will, if chosen, make new friends and have a confidence that you probably might not have had before. So, in addition to the objective criteria that I outlined, you must be willing to commit to partnership with Habitat for Humanity. The other thing I need to let you know is that this is a journey. This is not an instant fix. If you're if you're facing eviction, Habitat for Humanity cannot sell you a home in the next 60 days. This is a process. It can be a year before we finish and sell you your house. It's a time that allows you to get your finances in order, take our classes, and actually learn a lot. So the application is available on our website or at our office at the Restore in downtown Junction City. It is 12 pages. We're asking you a lot of questions. It's all kept confidential, but you need to answer honestly and as completely as possible. So we have the application, 12 pages. You can download it and print it, or you can go to the Restore and pick it up, or you can call the office and we can mail one to you. Also on the website, or included with the application, is this instruction sheet. I'm going to go over the instruction sheet with you in just a few minutes at the end of this video, but if you follow and check off each of these, you'll have no problem. I do want to let you know that we do ask for documents, and including proof of residency, because you need to be a legal resident to be an applicant. So you might not have ready access to your birth certificate. Don't let that stop you from applying. You might not have it, but you can get it, and you can just send a note and say, I've sent off for my birth certificate, or other information. Maybe you can't find the exact copy of what we're looking for, but send us the application and let us know that you're on it. One thing that is part of your partnership agreement with Habitat for Humanity that we look at is meeting deadlines. And so the very first deadline that we have is this application deadline. So meeting deadlines, getting the application in by 3 o'clock on November 5, that's a hard and fast deadline. Many other deadlines will come up, and these are important because we are volunteers looking at this paperwork, and more than one person's going to apply. It's going to take a lot of time for us to go through this. We need to have all the information when we ask for it. But we also really want you to communicate with us. Send us a note, give us a call, send us an email, say, I'm working on it. So the application, online, at the Restore, we can mail it to you. So in a minute, I'm going to go over the application instructions with you. I will ask that if you do go into our office, call ahead and let them know you're coming. As I said at the beginning, these are not normal times. Do know that when you come into the Restore or the office, you're required to wear a mask correctly over your mouth and nose so that we'll all stay safe. So the office phone number is 541-998-9548, and you can find all of this on our website at www.habitatforhumanity.org. www.jchmhabitat.org. And again, message us on Facebook, send us an email. I'm sure you have questions, and I hope that you'll consider applying to become a Habitat for Humanity homeowner. It's just a lot of fun. So to review, if your current housing is unsafe, unaffordable, or overcrowded, and you have the income necessary to pay an affordable mortgage, and you are willing to partner with Habitat for Humanity, go to our website at www.jchmhabitat.org. On the website, you'll find the application and the instructions, as well as the current income guidelines, which are based on family size. As a reminder, you need to live or work within the school district boundaries. Now, the application instructions are pretty clear. If you follow them carefully, I don't think you'll have any problems. First, use one application form for up to 2 applicants. If you have another applicant, pick up another form. If you are separated or divorced with minor children and you have custody at least 50% of the time, please give us a copy of the legal documents that show that. We will need 2 years of your tax returns, just the IRS Federal Form 40, and copies of your W-2s for all applicants and non-applicant spouses. We will need proof of legal residency. That can be a birth certificate, passport, green card, naturalization papers, or similar. Keep in mind, a driver's license is not proof of residency. By signing the back page of the application, you are acknowledging that we will be running a criminal background check on all applicants and members of the household 18 and older. We will need 2 months of all bills, rent receipts, bank statements, pay stubs, and other information that we ask for. 2 months of copies of those to include with the application. If you've declared bankruptcy at any time, give us a copy of those discharge papers. And if you receive benefits such as Social Security or disability, give us a copy of your awards letter. Finally, we will need a copy of your driver's license or state-issued ID. There's a lot of paperwork here. If you need help with copies, call the office, make an appointment to come in to have those copies made. Finally, as a reminder, we are building in Monroe, so I will leave you with some photos of Monroe and its charming downtown. I hope you will think about applying to become a Habitat for Humanity homeowner. Give us a call, message us, let us know if you have any questions.